Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be comparing Shopify with Printify. Which is best for you? Which is best for your business? Let's dive right in. When comparing the two, it really is a little bit of a tricky decision to make. After all, Shopify and Printify both serve business owners, but their features and capabilities are very different. After helping countless companies build their print-on-demand stores and brands with both Shopify and Printify, we're going to dive in this comprehensive review to really put them head to head and figure out which one is best for your business. So firstly, what is Shopify? Let's go through the pros and the cons. Look, out of the countless e-commerce platforms that we've covered, Shopify is by far and large our favorite. It is a comprehensive software as a service solution that is designed for the commerce market. What's great about Shopify is that it is an all-in-one product. It is a hosted platform which gives business owners everything that they need to control, manage, and grow their online business. Though Shopify primarily markets itself as the top e-commerce platform, you can actually use it for a whole bunch of different things. You can build almost any kind of website or store. For example, you can leverage Shopify's POS tools to create an omni-channel sales strategy with both online and offline selling. Shopify also comes with its own payment processing service, access to fulfillment and delivery support, along with countless other resources ideal for growing brands. You can even use the reporting and analytical tools to make data-driven decisions about your profit margins. Plus, with comprehensive App Store access, you can connect your Shopify store to virtually any other tool, including Printify as well. And the final pro is that it is really easy to use. There is a streamlined backend environment with excellent customization options for both themes and templates. But there are a couple of cons as well. Shopify charges pretty expensive fees. You'll need to pay a monthly subscription fee, transaction fees, and payment processing fees, as well as additional costs for premium apps and premium themes. There are also some limitations as well. You may need to work with an expert to edit the code of your store, and certain features are missing, like a built-in CRM or email hosting. So that's Shopify done. Let's talk about Printify. What are the pros and cons of this service? Alongside Printful, Printify is one of our favorite print-on-demand platforms. Printify is a dropshipping and print-on-demand service provider. The all-in-one platform gives users access to over 850 different types of products, which you can customize with your unique designs and own personal branding. With Printify, you pick the product that you want to sell, add your elements in the Printify mockup generator, and then use Printify's integrations to upload the item to your store. Every time a customer places an order on your website, their information will be sent directly to Printify's team of print providers who produce your order, package it, and then ship it to its rightful destination. Rather than printing in-house, Printify actually works with a global network of distribution partners, most of which will allow you to actually order a sample of theirs before you commit to a long-term partnership. Once you've selected your partners, they handle all of the hard work for you and make sure that your product reaches your customers as quickly as possible. And while Printify doesn't allow you to create an online store within its platform, it does allow you to integrate with a number of different providers like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, the list goes on. So let's talk about the pros and cons of Printify. Firstly, there is a wide product range. Printify offers a wide range of products and works with manufacturers all around the world to help diversify your brand. They also have excellent quality control measures in place. This means that you can maintain a reputation for your brand that delivers high quality products. As mentioned before, the integrations are endless. Printify integrates with a number of different tools from WooCommerce to Amazon, which allows you to sell on multiple channels. They also provide a number of unique services. Alongside print on demand, Printify offers drop shipping, bulk orders, express delivery, product transfers, and much, much more. However, it is important to note that there are a number of cons that come with Printify. The main issue is, I would say, the variability. And while Printify does vet its manufacturers very carefully, the product quality and the shipping times really varies from one vendor to the next. You also need to depend on third-party platforms. Though you can create a pop-up store with Printify, you still need to sell products through other channels like social media, for example. And finally, there is limited support. Printify only offers chat and email-based customer support, and sometimes their responses can actually be a little bit slow. So now that we've gone over the pros and cons of both Shopify and Printify, what can you actually do with Shopify? So the biggest differences between the two services is that Printify focuses exclusively on print on demand, whereas Shopify is a lot more versatile. With Shopify, you can build virtually any kind of website or store that you like. You can design a website where you manage bookings and appointments for service-based businesses. You can host your own online blog or create a store selling physical or digital products. What's cool is that you can even integrate Shopify with dropshipping or print-on-demand services. This helps with having quick and easy order fulfillment. Not only this, Shopify integrates with a range of platforms for omnichannel selling. You can use the tool to sell on social media or access POS tools to synchronize online and offline retail locations. Shopify also features comprehensive tools for brand development. You can develop a great online brand with Shopify. You can purchase a custom domain name straight from the hosting provider. You can use themes and templates to customize your site, which really fits the aesthetic of what you're trying to sell. And you can access tools which help you create branded invoices, email campaigns, the list goes on. Then you've got the payment processing side of things. Managing transactions and processing payments is easy with Shopify's store. Shopify comes with its own payment processing software, Shopify Payments, for secure credit and debit card transactions. You can sell internationally using different currencies with Shopify Markets. You can integrate your own payment processing tools or even set up buy now, pay later options for your customers to use as well. Then there's the marketing side of things. Shopify gives business owners multiple ways in which to engage their audience. The platform is SEO optimized as a standard and comes with blogging features for content marketing as well. There are inbuilt email marketing tools as well as the options to integrate your store with external apps. Plus, you can leverage social media connections directly within Shopify itself. If we talk about fulfillment, Shopify's fulfillment partners make it really easy to get your products to the customers wherever they're located in the world. There's also a comprehensive partner platform which offers significantly discounted shipping rates, and you can connect with suppliers for faster shipping times to customers. You can manage everything from label printing to order tracking within your Shopify dashboard, and also integrate dropshipping or print-on-demand services. There's also tons of automation tools available within Shopify as well. You can create automated email campaigns to inform customers about order updates or automatically publish content according to your schedule. And on top of all that, Shopify offers access to a mobile app for on-the-go store or site management. If you upgrade to the Shopify Plus plan, you can even create headless commerce experience with advanced coding tools. But enough about Shopify. Let's talk about Printify and what you get with Printify's options as well. So it's slightly different because while Shopify actually supports creating virtually any type of store, Printify is more so a print-on-demand service. The easy-to-use platform connects business leaders with manufacturers and fulfillment partners worldwide, I should say. So there's a few benefits of using print-on-demand services like Printify here. Firstly, you can create a range of custom products. Printify offers 850 different products available for customization. Options range from hoodies to t-shirts, tote bags, phone cases. The list is endless. So business owners can leverage the Printify mockup generator, which allows you to see what your design looks like on each specific product. Printify also helps you build your brand as well. You can use a range of fulfillment partners all around the world to create branded merchandise. Then you can package each item with your custom components. There are tons of customization and branding options that are available, including custom invoices, pack-ins, and even branded labels for your garments. But I would say the main benefit of using Printify is its simple fulfillment process. Printify's global partner network ensures that you can ship your products to virtually any customer worldwide. No matter if you're located in the USA, Canada, Mexico, Australia, there are basically partners all around the globe which caters to those specific audiences. What's great is that the order fulfillment process handles all the shipping issues. However, shipping costs and times may vary depending on the partner that you choose. Printify also integrates with a wide range of platforms. It integrates with Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and Wix, so that you can sell anywhere, anytime. Alrighty, so let's move on to prices between Shopify and Printify. There's a bunch of fees that you need to consider between the two, and while Printify does have lower upfront costs, you still need to account for the costs of building the site, shipping to customers, and so much more. There are some pretty significant differences between the prices of both Printify and Shopify, and we're going to dive into them right now. So if we look at Shopify, Shopify offers 5 different plans, starting with the starter plan for $5 a month. This is great if you're selling primarily on social media channels and in messaging apps like WhatsApp. There are also 3 core plans which appeal to most companies, including Shopify Basic, which is $39 a month for 2 staff accounts, shipping discounts, 1,000 inventory locations, store building tools, and a host of extra features like customer segmentation, discount, gift cards, abandoned cart recovery, and analytics. Then you've got the Shopify plan, which is $105 a month for everything that I said before that's included in the basic plan. Plus, you've got lower transaction rates, 5 staff accounts, standard reporting, international commerce, and e-commerce automations. Then you've got Shopify Advanced. So this plan is actually $3.99 a month, and you get all the options of the Shopify plan, plus up to 15 staff accounts and advanced reporting functions. Shopify also offers an enterprise plan, which is called the Shopify Plus plan. This doesn't have a specific pricing, rather it's priced according to your business's specific needs. Monthly fees start at around $2,000 a month though. Now those are the monthly fee options for the different plans. There are other costs that you need to consider. For example, if you do want premium themes, that will cost you extra as well. Despite this, it's a one-off cost. Not only that, there's also additional costs for integrations and third-party apps. So Printify customers can get started with the service for free. The free plan supports up to 5 stores per account and comes with access to integrations, the Printify mockup generator, manual order creation, 24/7 merchant support, and custom order importing. There are also 2 other paid plans. You've got Premium for $24.99 a month, which gives you all the features of the free plan, plus up to a 20% discount on all products and up to 10 stores per account. Then you've got the Enterprise plan, and this is like the Shopify Enterprise plan where it's custom pricing. You get all the features of the Premium plan and early access to new features, unlimited stores per account, API access, a dedicated customer success manager, and branded customer support for your clients. On top of these monthly costs, you do need to consider the fees associated with creating your products and shipping them to customers as well. The price of each product does vary depending on a wide range of factors, as does shipping, but you can actually review all these costs when you're going and sorting through the Printify vendors. And while there are no transaction costs on Printify, there could be additional fees, for instance, ordering samples or accessing services like Printify Express Delivery. So let's talk about the features head to head. First up, we have sales, marketing, and inventory management. Though Printify and Shopify are 2 very different platforms, they do have some overlapping sales features. Both tools allow you to create pop-up stores, which include links to your products, which you can share on social media and messaging apps. They both offer access to product catalogs, so you can track the items that you create. And both tools allow you to ship products to customers worldwide. Printify and Shopify both integrate with various sales tools platforms and allow you to maintain comprehensive control over the products that you sell. However, there are a range of sales and marketing tools that Shopify provides, which Printify does not. Shopify comes with really in-depth inventory management tools, where you can monitor stock levels, access instant low stock alerts, and even attribute SKUs and barcodes to your products. With Shopify, you can also integrate your stores with a range of marketing tools. This is to help you run different types of campaigns, such as emails or social media marketing campaigns. There are built-in SEO tools. You can create your own blog with Shopify. On top of that, Shopify has an abandoned cart recovery tool, which helps you increase your sales. Shopify also has access to additional sales channels. Although both tools offer support for omni-channel selling, Shopify has a dedicated POS platform which allows you to sell products in person with minimal effort. I'm going to give this round to Shopify. Now, let's put Shopify and Printify head to head with their ease of use and development time. So I will say both tools are great for beginners, but Printify edges this slightly if you're looking to get a store up quickly. But of course, it's not all about speed. So if we look at Shopify, we see a number of different things. Shopify is a world-renowned leader in the e-commerce platform space. Part of this is because it's really easy to use. The dashboard is clean, it's easy to navigate, with well-labeled sections. You can add products to your store and manage orders effortlessly with just a few clicks. Plus, thanks to the Shopify theme editor, it makes changing your store to match your brand really, really easy. Now, Printify also makes it really easy to get started with print on demand as well. You can sign up for an account in seconds. You can use the integrated mockup and design tools to create amazing products. Not only that, it guides you through the process of integrating Printify with your own existing e-commerce store. But what's interesting is that if you don't have your own e-commerce store, it doesn't really matter because Printify allows you to have a unique URL which you can share with family, friends, or your fans or customers. So all in all, if we put them head to head, I still give this to Shopify. It edges out Printify slightly because when it comes down to it, Shopify is far more comprehensive than Printify. Now, if we talk about themes and design tools, which one comes out ahead? This honestly is a little bit unfair because Shopify is a more comprehensive tool. It is a comprehensive website and e-commerce platform provider, which means there are heaps of themes to choose from. There is a store full of premium and free designs to suit literally every business model that you can possibly think of. All these themes are highly customizable, so even if you purchase one, you're not locked into it. You can make edits, make changes to really match your brand. Printify, on the other hand, does not offer a full website builder. It does give you an online pop-up store. However, the customization options are fairly limited. If you do want to make your brand stand out, I do recommend integrating Printify with a Shopify website. So even if your business is really small, it is important to think about the long term. So here we're going to be comparing Printify and Shopify when it comes to apps, integration, and most importantly, scalability. So firstly, Shopify promises its vendors a wide variety of subscription options so you can upgrade when the time is right. The servers as well are really robust, which means they can handle high volumes of traffic. Plus, you can use Shopify's headless commerce features to disconnect your front end and back end, which creates unique customer experiences. Shopify has a comprehensive app marketplace where you'll find thousands of apps and integrations from all things marketing to accounting to sales and inventory. However, like Shopify, Printify offers subscription plans to high volume sellers that gives them access to extra discounts and much more benefits as their business scales. Thanks to its global network of fulfillment partners, Printify can easily handle companies with larger order numbers. And this fulfillment network means that you can easily send your product to customers all over the world. Printify also integrates with a wide variety of e-commerce platform providers like PrestaShop and WooCommerce and marketplace platforms, so you can sell on various different channels as well. All in all though, the winner I give in this round is Shopify as well. It does edge out Printify with its scalability options, which I think is super important as your business grows. But really, both tools are excellent if your brand is rapidly growing or even just getting started. All right, so let's talk customer support. Even when platforms are really easy to use, like Shopify and Printify, customer support is still key. There are things that go wrong all the time. Now, both platforms actually have gone a similar way in addressing customer support needs. Shopify has a comprehensive help center jam-packed with documentations, tutorials, guides, videos, and frequently asked questions. Printify also has a fantastic help center as well. They both have excellent communities where like-minded business owners can ask questions, help each other, which is super great. And they also allow you to pay for expert opinions as well. You can reach out to Shopify's experts for development and marketing support, or you can connect with Printify's network of specialists through their expert program. But in terms of direct customer support, Shopify edges out Printify. Both options offer email and chat support, but Printify unfortunately does not offer face-to-face or over-the-phone communication. And for that reason, I have to give this to Shopify. Printify, unfortunately, doesn't have the best reputation for exceptional customer support, and I found that Shopify's response times are often much quicker than Printify. But the reality is, you don't actually need to choose between Printify and Shopify. If you do want to start selling custom products, you can actually integrate the two. In fact, Printify actually has a dedicated Shopify integration to make this possible. All you need is both a Printify account and a Shopify account to get started. Once you have an account with both services, add the Printify app to your store from the Shopify app marketplace. Then head over to Printify, log in with your credentials, and then click on the e-commerce platform tab. Add a new store, and then connect to your Shopify account from there. This means now that you've done that, you'll be able to access the Printify dashboard directly from your Shopify account. And you can choose the products that you want to customize. You can sort through the variety of products that Printify has to offer, then customize them in the mockup generator before immediately adding them to your store. Once you upload a product catalog to Shopify, every time a customer makes a purchase, their details will be sent to the white label partners you chose to work with Printify. Your chosen print-on-demand business will create all the quality products for you and then ship them to your customers. Plus, you can actually monitor all your sales in the Shopify backend. So all in all, to bring this review to a close, let's talk about who should use Shopify. I recommend 3 types of customers to use Shopify. The first is online retailers, next is omnichannel sellers, and finally, dropshippers and print-on-demand vendors. Those 3 business owner groups, I believe, have the best use cases for a Shopify store. So who should use Printify then? Well, there are 3 different types of business owners that I think will benefit from Printify. The first is growing companies. If you want to expand into new markets or diversify your product range, Printify makes it really easy to start and create a wide range of unique products. Then you have artists and designers. So people who are talented at creating designs can slap their designs on multiple different products, which is really, really good. And finally, we have print-on-demand companies. And if you're a business looking to invest in print-on-demand, then Printify is one of my favorite platforms to use. Look, so all in all, Printify and Shopify gives companies an easy way to start building an online business. And the bottom line is this. With Printify, you can create a variety of print-on-demand products with minimal upfront costs. The solution comes with access to a host of fulfillment centers, all offering great quality prints and straightforward functionality. Alternatively, Shopify gives beginners in the commerce industry an easy way to create literally any type of business. Whether you're selling online or offline, whether you're dropshipping or you have your own warehouse, you can manage any aspect of the running aspect of the business or the marketing aspect of the business with Shopify. But if you're really not sure, there's no real need to make a decision. You can create a customizable store and sell across a wide range of channels using Printify. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching this online review between Shopify and Printify. And I hope that gives you an understanding that Printify and Shopify don't have to compete against each other. The main thing is to understand what's best for your needs and see how you can integrate the two together. With that, we'll see you next time. We have a bunch more videos planned. And if you want to hear more, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.